Changing your college major after studying can be a significant decision, but it's also an opportunity to align your studies with your true interests and career goals. Here's a concise guide to help you navigate this process effectively. Assessing the need for a change. First, you can reflect. Evaluate why you want to change your major, consider your interests, strengths, and career aspirations. Do some research, look into potential new majors, and understand the coursework requirements and career opportunities that they offer. Meet with academic advisors to discuss your thoughts and get professional guidance on the implications of changing majors, as well as speaking with professors and students in the new major to gain insights and firsthand experience. Secondly, you want to understand the implications. Credit transfer. Determine how your completed courses will transfer to the new major. Some credits may not count, potentially extending your graduation timeline. And be aware that changing majors might require extra semesters. Plan accordingly to manage time and finances. Here are some steps to change your major. Meet with your advisors. Schedule a meeting with both your current and prospective major advisors to discuss the transition and required steps. Complete paperwork, fill out any necessary forms or applications to officially change your major. And develop a new academic plan that outlines the courses you need to take to meet the requirements of your new major. Get involved by joining clubs, organizations, or study groups related to your new major to immerse yourself in the field. And seek support by utilizing campus sources like tutoring centers, career services, and counseling to support your transition. By carefully evaluating your options, seeking advice, and planning your transition, you can successfully navigate this change and set yourself up for success in your new field.